Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Family, friends, foodies, cooks. Okay, today I'm sharing a very quick recipe, which is of course flavor packed. I've got my cuttlefish. I was in the middle of making it and I was like, no, let me switch this camera on and film this because this was my lunch. So of course I'm using my cuttlefish, but then again, you can use squid rings if that's what you have available. Diced cod, salmon, the choice is yours. So here I have used Buy Ndudu Koobi Salt, which has that taste of the sea and umami flavor piercing through beautifully. So once I've done that, I'm now using my corn starch. Yes, and I'll be mixing everything together. But then I noticed that it wasn't well coated, so of course I had to add some extra flour to it. And then I was happy. Now do not worry about the measurements and the list of ingredients. I'll leave a link in the description box and it will take you straight to the recipe. So I'm going to allow this to rest whilst I make my sauce, which I will be using my piri piri blend. Of course, it's clay smoked and I've got some unique spices in there that just takes it a notch up. It's just perfect. So now we can add some sweetness to this dish because of course we've gone for the taste of the sea, that salty that's coming through, absolutely beautiful and aromatic. And we've got that spicy, smoky, citrusy, and piri piri blend. So a drizzle of honey works well, but then if you try the fermented garlic honey, that takes it a notch up. Here I'm mixing everything together until it's well combined. And I think it's now time for me to fry my cuttlefish. So here I've got my oil, which is hot, and I'm just tossing this beauty in there. I'm just going to leave it so that it fries the bottom perfectly for about 4 minutes. And here I'm happy with it because you just don't want it to be too chewy or anything. You just need it so. So the bottom is like crispy, but the top is nice and moist. Yes, we're playing on textures here. And straight from that frying pan right into the sauce. Absolutely. Because of course that is hot, is just going to allow the flavors in there to infuse into the cuttlefish. I think somebody made a comment the other day and said, if I do a video where I do not talk about flavors, then it means that I have been compromised. Yes, it's in my being. Everything I have to eat has to have that flavor. Hence, of course, the spice blends that are created. I didn't just create it. It's taken over 10 years to get all the formulation right because, of course, there's a science behind all of it. Yes, and here you have your meal. The beauty about the spice blends are you can use them individually in creating your distinctive flavor-packed dishes. But you can also mix all of them and, you can be creative and you can create new flavors because of the science behind the formulation. Yes, exactly. So it works. And I particularly love it when, my returning customers, which I absolutely appreciate a lot, they give me that feedback. I just know that, yes, it has worked. Amen. So yes, every individual that has liked, shared, purchased, supported the business, thank you. And for every single person that has followed my page, my channel, my recipes, thank you. You have all contributed to where I am now. And remember this, I love you for you.